In this video, I'll show you how to make a payment on your Capital One credit card. It's super simple whether you're using the app or website. Let's jump right in. Open the Capital One app, tap on the card you want to pay, then click Pay Now. You can either make the minimum payment, enter a custom amount, or choose to pay in full. Definitely the best move if you want to avoid interest. If you're paying from your bank account, select Add a Payment Method. If it's your first time, link your bank and confirm the transfer. Double-check everything, then hit Confirm and Send. And boom, your payment is on its way. Prefer doing it online? Just log into CapitalOne.com, click your card, go to Payments, and follow the same steps. Quick tip: set up auto pay so you never miss a due date. Trust me, your credit score will thank you. If this helped you out, smash that like button and maybe drop a comment so I know you're all set. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick money tips. See you next time.